Hi folks, Elaine here with WTI. I would like to introduce the new must-have kitchen gadget of 2025, the NexaEase portable blender. It is so light, compact, and yet powerful. My morning protein shakes start my day, and I take my blender everywhere. I love making different refreshing fruit blends for those workouts at home too. The recipes are simple and very delicious. I appreciate the carrying case. It's a must-have for keeping everything together with me all the time. The lid is secure and drip-free, an important feature for sure. You will love the ease and speed this portable blender can whip up amazing juices, like this sunshine smoothie. The carrot and frozen mango chunks blended perfectly. I can't say enough about this portable blender. I think everyone should have one, and that's just my point of view.